Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add extension on Google Chrome. So first of all, what the extension? So the extension was the super thing like a add-on for your Google Chrome. So you can use it by extension and you can add a special features for your Google. And today we're going to see how to have a Google extension from Google, how to search the Google Chrome store on your Google. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to add the extension, you just want to, so first of all, do you want to understand an extension very well? So this is a translator extension. You can pin the extension from here. So these are the extensions I have been installed in the Google Chrome. So I just want to translate this page. This is an extension extra option by the like a small app in Chrome. So I just can translate the page to whatever language. So you can read any article, any Chinese article or Japanese article in English or your preferred language by using this extension. So these are one of the extension. There is a lot of extension in Chrome Web Store. So you can I just removing it and I just going to install it again for your preference. So you just want to search in Google as a Chrome Web Store or Chrome Store. So after typing it, you can see the Chrome Web Store on the first search result, and you just want to click here, and you can, this is the extension and this is like Play Store. You just want to search whatever you want. So here I just going to type as Google Translator. So translator, so there will be a lot of apps, but I recommend Google Translator is one of the best translators. So I just typing as Google Translator. So like a Play Store, you just want to click the app Google Play Store. Google Translator is an extension. This is apps in mobile phone. It's called as apps, and in web store it's called as extension. You just want to click on the add extension, click add extension again, so it will be automatically installed. Now you just go here and just pin the extension here. Now you can easily translate here, and you can search whatever you want. For an example, game or VPN. So everything will be available in the Chrome Web Store. You can try it here and try it in Chrome.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Chrome, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.